The Falcons continuing to build on their confidence as they wrap up the series against Akron out at Stellar Field. Tie game in the second, Justin Barr finds the gap in left center. His first RBI of the season, and Akron takes a 2-1 lead. Home half, Justin Fugit gets things going. A solo shot to right, his first homer of the season, reties it at 2. 2 out and 2 on for Adam Fallon. Comes up clutch, a bullet back up the middle. The Falcons take a 4-2 lead, but BG's not done yet. The Falcons plate 5 more in the fourth. Nathan Archer goes yard, a 3-run bomb. It's 13-9 the final. Bowling Green bats come alive, 43 runs on the weekend. The Falcons pick up their first MAC Series win.
You had guys in the dugout really saying just win every inning, and if you look at the scoreboard, we pretty much did that the first 4. We won or tied every inning, got a lead, and then we were able to sit on it once with Nick Good making his college debut. Comes in a tight spot, makes some good pitches, has a good 0 the nenext inning, and then Levi Gazaric pitched really well. And it's just a pleasure to watch those guys when they go out there and do their thing, and I'm just really happy for them.
Brad Woznicki and Rick Poland join us once more from Stellar Field.
Thanks. Back out here one final time at Stellar Field, where Bowling Green has completed a great week of baseball. It began with a win over Michigan State on Tuesday, the Falcons' first win over a Power 5 team since 2014, and this week ends with the Falcons taking 3 out of 4 from Akron.
Yeah, that seemed to be the catalyst for them as they came into this weekend, and they came into this series, with some confidence, and they showed it on the field today.
And offensively, the Falcons had the bats going throughout the weekend, scoring a total of 41 runs. And today, Bowling Green had a 13-8 advantage after 4 innings of play. Falcons just continue to put the pressure on, and you have to love that response Bowling Green had in the bottom of the 4th.
Oh, absolutely. When you thought that, well, maybe this isn't going to be our day, we can't continue this, they did. They just kept hammering away, and the offense was there, and everybody lifted each other up and tried to outdo each other. And when the team gets together like that and gets on a roll, they're hard to beat.
And Bowling Green has some big conference games ahead of them. Of course, they'll see Central Michigan in mid-April. Central Michigan, the favorite to win the Mid-American Conference. And then before you know it, the Battle of I-75.
Yeah, and everybody's looking forward to that. But there's a lot of business to take care of before they get to that point. But you have to like the direction that these Falcons are going.
Bowling Green takes the series today from Akron.